Hi everyone, and welcome to my master bedroom closet makeover. This is a continuation of clearing the clutter and of my series of clearing the clutter, and this is my bedroom closet. Now I have to be very honest, I have been putting this off only because I kept telling myself I will wait until I lose 10 pounds, 15 pounds, whatever. And then I will do the closet because then I'll know exactly what fits and what doesn't. Well, the COVID life has pushed this closet makeover off for like a year. So this has gotten way out of control and I decided it was time to get it done. So this is the before of my wonderful bedroom closet and what I go into every single day. And it turns out when my closet is like this, I wear about 4 or 5 outfits, namely because we are stuck at home still, that include leggings and sweatshirts. And it is Minnesota, so leggings and sweatshirts really do work well. Anyway, I started by clearing the center of the floor. I had a bin and a bag. The bag that was actually filled with garbage clothes that I had already decided I didn't need, but for some reason thought the bag should just sit in there so I could add to it. I don't know what I was thinking. Anyway, that bag of clothes was literally just clothes that needed to go in the trash, not donate, not sell, just trash. And then that bin had seasonal clothes, so kind of summer clothes. So that's really the last time I did anything. Then I grabbed all of our dirty clothes. So went and started getting laundry done because we had a huge basket full of dirty clothes and they were just kind of thrown on the bottom of, all the clothes were basically thrown on the bottom of the floor. So I ran down and got my first load of laundry started. And I got things sorted, so the next time I run down, it would just be easier to get everything cleaned up. The next thing I did was grab some trash. I had some tags and some bags that clothes shipped in, just kind of thrown into the closet. So I started, anything I saw I just threw away right away, and then I hung that garbage bag right on the door because I knew I'd be coming across some clothes that are stained, maybe ripped, things like that, and they can just go right in the trash. And then I had a second bag for donations, and I hung that on my bathroom door. And then I just started pulling everything out on my side of the closet. I found 2 random shoes, not knowing where their counterparts were. This shelf had fallen quite a while ago, and underneath were clothes that, oh, look at that, they still have tags on them. I also found one of my favorite shirts under that fallen board. But most of those clothes had tags on them still, you guys. I actually am embarrassed how much clothes were in this closet that had tags on them. And I'm gonna, spoiler alert, most of the clothes with tags on them didn't even stay in my closet. I've been holding on to them and I didn't even keep them. Ugh. Anyway, at this point I needed that bottom shelf, I needed the closet to be kind of fixed, like it had moved. So I called in reinforcements and acted as a supervisor. I totally ogled my reinforcement for when he came in to help. Did some light vacuuming because I was actually just gonna do my side of the closet. My husband had actually recently gone through his clothes and decided clothes that he wanted to keep and didn't. And then I actually took over half of his closet with my clothing as well. So I had to start pulling that down. And then I decided I just had to pull everything out of the closet and reorganize his clothes. Now, luckily his clothes were actually, he had gone through them, so he knew what he was keeping except that stuff on the top shelf, which I think he wanted to just think about or something, which is why they were just thrown up there. And then I found my summer hats. As a redhead, I have some great summer hats to keep my skin, and I'm hoping to age really well because I don't go in the sun. Anyway, back to it. Then I cleaned the walls. A lot of the walls and shelves had a lot of scuffs on. As you can see, this is where the belts hang in our closet. So I used a magic eraser and a microfiber towel just to get everything dusted, everything cleaned before anything got back. I did call in those reinforcements again and had my husband do the top shelves because even with my step stool, I can't reach them. And this is everything that was in that closet, you guys. There was so much stuff. I think it's actually almost taller than me. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business is right. Didn't even know where to start on my side. So I started with those, oh yeah, there's a tag on this. So I started right in that little corner and just started making a pile of clothes that I kind of had to try on and I just wasn't sure if I was gonna keep. So that started down in the corner, just throwing stuff on the floor, just to kind of start getting some categories going. And then I started looking at these large scarves, and then I honestly started putting them in a pile of put back, and then realized I don't really wear scarves and I haven't for a couple years. So if I want to wear a scarf again, I will just go buy one, and actually decided to get rid of all of them. They all had to go. So they got put into a basket to then go into a sell box. And I decided anything that I thought was worth keeping, so things that weren't stained or ripped, I actually decided I'm gonna do a sale and try and sell them, and then whatever doesn't sell at the sale, I will be donating. I started my side, got overwhelmed pretty quickly, so I moved over to my husband's side knowing I didn't have to do any decision making for his clothes. I just had to fold and make it look pretty and put it back really, really nice. So his side seemed like a good side to start on, and it would clear space for me to actually sort through all of my clothes.
Hiya.
Hi.
Hi. Lady who helped make this possible. That would be amazing. Paging Dr. Kate and Dr. Lee.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Peekaboo.
Bye.
Can I come in too? Let me come in too. All right. All right.
Hurry. 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 Fire.
Smile. Say cheese.
Cheese. Fun.
It was fun. Are you ready to go outside with Daddy?
No.
No? You want to stay in here with Mommy? You want to help me clean?
No.
No. Mommy does. Come on, Cammy. Come on. Oh, Cammy, come here. Come here, Cam Bam. You can come in. All right, hide. Hide. Oh, I hear him. Shh, shh. Oh, you found us. After that fun, it was time to get back to work. So again, I finished up his side of all the his clothes. And yes, I know there's some of those clothes that he does need to get rid of, but yeah, I don't have to make any decisions for him, thankfully. He can do it on his own. But now you can actually see what he has. And since we're moving into summer or spring and summer where he is gonna live in shorts, I put them on a main shelf for him. Oh, and now we get to the saddest part of my day, going through my shoe collection and realizing none of them fit anymore. Sad. My beautiful shoes. I'm like the sisters on Cinderella. They don't fit at all anymore. Oh, my Jessica Simpsons. So long, my friends. Farewell. And Taylor Swade's are gonna fit comfortably. Nope. Nope, it's not happening. That is a lot of shoe cleavage. Oh, Lord. Oh, but they're so cute. And now is just a bit of a montage of what I once had. So I had one pair of shoes make it past the final cut of my dress-up shoes, which, as a shoeaholic, I am a bit sad about, but it is what it is. Again, a bunch of things. Look at those tags, you guys. A bunch of items that had tags on them still. Again, they didn't make the cut. They all got put into a donate box or into the sell box. And then there were some things I knew had stains on them. I don't know why I still had them, so they just got thrown away. I know I'm not gonna wear them and I'm not going to be donating them because they're stained. And then this shirt, the arms were so tight that I got stuck in it and needed help getting out. So I had to leave and then return. And then I put on this dress and decided, you know, I haven't gone out in a long time. I might as well just throw this dress on and do my work in it. And even had lunch with the boys. You know, it's nothing like getting dressed up all fancy for mini corn dogs and French fries. So I spent a good 45 minutes to an hour wearing my dress. And I really had fun doing it. So I don't know why I don't do that more often. A new home for some shelves. And then because I was kind of working in sections, items I knew I was keeping, I did just start putting back into the closet just to get them out of my way of sorting and getting rid of clothes. I do go back and actually organize the closet, but to get started, I was just trying to clear space on my bed for my actual piles. So I had piles that I knew were just automatically sell. I had pile that needed, it was kind of like a try-on pile that was there in the center. And you're gonna see this red dress was kind of it stuck around for a while because I just kept debating, do I want it, do I not want it, do I want it, do I not want it? Because I loved the dress, but ultimately, I think it was even like like in 10 pounds, this dress will look fantastic. I ended up just getting rid of it because I'm tired of holding on to things with that kind of mentality. So what is in my closet is clothing that fits me. Anyway, like I said, I was working in categories, so went and got some of my boxes, and I just started getting rid of anything I knew I was going to sell later or be donating. And then anything that I knew was staying started going back into the closet in different kind of and I just kind of stuck it in there and then went back and did categories and figuring out where its home will be officially. That cleared space on the bed for me to actually work and do my sorting. One of my most genius ideas is I have a lot of workout clothes, and I actually do not keep those clothes in my closet. I keep them down in my gym because I usually will get up early in the morning to work out, which means if I'm shuffling around in my closet, I run the risk of waking up my husband who's still sleeping. By moving my gym clothes down to my gym, I can just go down there and I can get dressed right in the gym and get into my workout. Alligator, you found one of your toys, huh? Oh, hang on.
Heavy.
Heavy stuff.
Careful.
I will be careful, thank you. What? Oh, and then I started going through my swimsuit stuff and decided swimming season is still about 7 to 8 weeks away from when we open the pool, and I can figure swimsuit stuff out then. So it just all got put back until a later date. I ended the day chatting with my niece and watching some Good Dinosaur. And this is the results. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you really enjoyed this. If you did, you can check out some of my other clearing the clutter videos, and I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button. Tell me what you think in the comments below, and I will see you again soon.